The impact of sugar goes beyond physical health. Consuming too much sugar can lead to mood swings, fatigue, and even depression. The highs and lows of sugar intake can affect your mental well-being. Studies have shown that high-sugar diets are linked to an increased risk of anxiety and other mental health issues. The connection between diet and mental health is becoming increasingly clear. Let's not forget about your teeth. Dental health is another area where sugar takes its toll. Your dentist's warnings are true. Sugar is the main culprit behind cavities. It creates an environment where harmful bacteria thrive. It feeds harmful bacteria in your mouth, leading to tooth decay and gum disease. These dental issues can cause pain and long-term damage. Lastly, sugar can be addictive. The more you consume, the more you crave. When you eat it, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This creates a rewarding sensation that makes you want more. This makes you crave more, trapping you in a cycle of overconsumption and health risks. Breaking free from this cycle can be challenging but is essential for your health. So, how can you cut back? Awareness is the first step. Start by reading food labels, avoiding sugary drinks, and choosing natural sweeteners like honey or fruit. Incorporating these small changes into your diet can make a significant difference. Opt for whole foods and natural sources of sweetness. Small changes can make a big difference. Over time, these adjustments can lead to better health and well-being. Remember, sugar in moderation isn't the enemy, but too much can harm your body and mind. Balance is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Choose health over cravings, and your future self will thank you. Making mindful choices today can lead to a healthier tomorrow. Like this video? Hit subscribe and share it with your friends to spread the sweet truth about sugar. Together we can make healthier choices and improve our well-being.